Hi guys, today we will talk about glass cockpits. When we use the term glass cockpit, it means that any aircraft's cockpit that uses electronic instrument systems that would be called as glass cockpits. In older aircrafts, the flight instruments were analog, and the analog mean those components would contain some mechanical or electromechanical rotating mechanisms that would drive some pointer dials in the cockpit to display the specific information. For example, when we talk about some analog airspeed indicator systems, it will receive the air pressure from the pitot tube and expand some bellows that would rotate dial to indicate the required information. But in electromechanical system, that air pressure from the pitot tube would enter some air data computer, and that air data computer would convert the analog information into digital, and that information would again convert it back into analog signals to drive a pointer inside the cockpit to show the information. But when we talk about the glass cockpits in which we will use the electronic instrument systems, we will not use some mechanical or electromechanical systems. The cockpits that comprises of electronic instrument systems are much more reliable than those older mechanical or electromechanical instrument systems, and it had the advantage of combining a lot of flight and navigation information on single displays that would finally increase the situational awareness of the pilot, and it provides better preview of the current situation of different parameters to the pilot. The first commercial aircraft that comprises of the glass cockpit was McDonnell Douglas MD-80, and it was equipped with the glass cockpit in 1979. This cockpit that used electronic instrument systems was using cathode ray tube displays to show the information. But the use of cathode ray tube have some disadvantages. As you know, cathode ray tube displays require a larger volume, and it consumes a lot of power. So whenever some components use a lot of power, so ultimately it would create more heat, but we cannot bear more volume, more weight, and more heat inside the cockpit. So these CRT displays replaced by some LCD displays. LCD displays require very less volume, as well as it uses very less power than CRT displays, so it would create less heat inside the cockpit. The glass cockpit aircrafts have various configurations of these LCD displays according to the model and the purpose of the aircraft. Some aircrafts have single navigation as well as primary flight displays, but some larger aircrafts have 5 or more LCD displays inside the cockpits according to the requirement. I hope you like the information in the video. For more information about aircraft systems, subscribe our channel and like these videos.